Yeah, so what's up? This is the latest and the greatest. So now, in addition to pissing bloody chunks, I'm coughing up blood from my lungs. That's an interesting new development. And I'm not going to worry about it though. I'm pretty old, fuck it, you know what I mean? So we'll try to get better from here. Try to get, try to regain our uh, health. Of course, it's going to be difficult to get your health back, when you're getting nuked and chemtrailed and GMO'd and whatever else they're doing, fucking up our water, spiking our food. It's going to be difficult coming back when you're living in a fucking death camp called the USA. You know the Nazis won the war, right? Well, now you know. Anyway, so I've been working on the paperwork for my uh, health care. Looks like I might need a lawyer even just to go to the doctor, which is pretty fucked up. We live in a fucked up country now. Wasn't like this when I was coming up, and just since like 911, man, or whatever. I guess maybe since the 70s, since they started fucking around with the oil, and I don't know. It's really fucked up now, though. So there it is, my fucking nemesis. Okay. Thank you.